So, who am I speaking to now?
I'm speaking to Cozy, Cosmos Kamiriri Muchenje.
What's your middle name? Kambariri.
Kamiriri.
Kamariri.
Yes, Muchenje.
Okay, but you signed your pieces Cozy.
K. Cosmos Kamiriri, Cozy K.
Cozy K.
Yes.
That's what you signed them.
Yeah.
So it's very confusing.
Yeah, well, it doesn't have to be very easy to trace my pieces.
Yeah,
Just to know
sure.
the actual person.
Yeah, that is your original kind of detail.
Yes.
Your, autograph. So many years to come we'll know if it's an original, because people will try and write Cosmos in it. We will know it's not yours.
Yes.
So Cosmos, when were you born?
1960. 60.
Okay. The year and the month?
And the month, on the 5th of January.
5th of January. Okay.
In 1960.
Was it raining?
Oh.
There's a rainy season, hey, in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, well, it's a rainy season. I wouldn't remember.
Yeah, you was a tiny baby. So how did you get into sculpting?
Well, I joined an art center.
Which one?
I started from Mabuko Art Center whilst I was doing painting. So
Oh,
I started with painting.
okay, like Arthur Fett.
Yes. And from painting, I was in the village sceneries here, and I started to do wood carving. I remember
Wood.
now.
Wood.
I started with wood carving. You know, when you were heading cattle, you'd see all these big trees,
Yeah.
hard, dry wood. Then you would take your chisels and start to sculpt. And then when I was doing painting at an art school here in Harare, that's when I joined Mapuko Art Center to be introduced into stone. I
Okay.
started doing stone in the city.
Okay. And how old were you? Were you a young boy, or would you?
Well, I was about 18 years when I started to do this. That was around 78, 79.
Okay. So you've been quite dedicated so far just to stone.
Yeah, really. We also, some of these guys who were maybe of the late first generation, we call it, people call us the second generation, but we just linked with the first generation because we just started before the 80s. They say the second generation starts from the 80s.
Right.
But we started earlier,
Mm.
and people put us to the second generation.
Yeah, I think just because of the age, but they didn't take into consideration the experience you had with the guys right at the beginning. Eh? So you were brought up with Mukomberanwa and all these guys.
Yes. Actually, Mukomberanwa, he would comment on every good sculpture you would do. He was a good guy.
Yeah, yeah. Who would you say was your mentors in sculpting? Who did you did you like?
I think well, in modern, maybe Shona sculpture, you would say Nicholas Henry, but when you go to the realistic fine arts, you would also get guys like James Stanley, and is recalled in some parts of the world.
Yeah. Is he mentioned also in the first generation? Not so much in the fine art.
Not so much, and probably also Gregory Mtasa.
Yeah, around the corner
Yes.
from me. Yeah. So, are you married? Do you have children?
Yeah.
Oh dear, you're sighing when you say that. It's a problem.
I've got 3 kids.
Small, medium, or large?
The other one is doing some like Form 3. The other one is doing a grade 5, and the other one is still a year.
1 year old.
Yeah. It
Hey!
just happened.
Ah, yeah. That's nice. It's nice to have small.
Just one wife, you know. Some guys do these late babies when they have other wives.
Yeah, yeah. But you stayed with the one lady. That's nice. So this is your place, your house
Well,
that you've
yeah,
built.
This is like
It's good.
where I'm doing. What do you call?
Studio in your car.
Where did on? What do you call if that is a place where you're passing by in life? What do you call?
Stepping stone. Like a stepping stone. This is a stepping stone. It's okay in your studio and you work here. That's your studio out the back. It's lovely. So I'm going to go and film some of your pieces. So what kind of, what gives you inspiration? I know you do a lot of nature.
The stone, the texture from the stones.
Mm-hmm.
You can plant something, but mine is a view. So I'm trying to make the view.
Which one do you like best?
I like them all. They're all nice.
This is just a woman.
Beautiful.
Just like a flower.
Yeah. Lovely. Thank you, Cosmos. Is there anything that you would like to add?
Not much. I like to do sculpture, but I wish I would slow down the production, make them really valuable.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of sculptures going around, and we think people are not taking much of their time concentrating.
Yeah.
So I think as also leaders in the art movement, we have to change, slow down the production, concentrate, and make better pieces.
Quality. Yeah. Thank you very much, Cosmos. Thanks for your time.